In question number 9, a parallelogram is given, parallelogram ABCD, where 2 points P and Q are taken on the diagonal BD such that this DP is equal to BQ. This is the given condition. A parallelogram ABCD is given, one diagonal BD is given, 2 points are taken on the diagonal, points P and Q. These 2 points are taken on the diagonal BD such that this PD and BQ are equal. It is already given, and we have to prove these 5 parts we have to prove. Okay, triangle APD is congruent to CQB. These two triangles we have to prove congruent. In second part we have to prove this AP is equal to CQ. In third part we have to prove these two triangles, triangle AQB and triangle CPD. And in fourth part AQ is equal to CP, and in last part we have to prove APCQ is a parallelogram. Now I am taking these two triangles. I want to prove these two triangles congruent, so I am taking in triangle APD and triangle CQB. In these two triangles, just look at in the figure, here it is given in these two triangles, in triangle APD and triangle CQB, these two are the opposite sides. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are always equal. This angle 2 and angle 1, both the angle are alternate interior angle because these two lines are parallel and this is a transversal. So we can write angle 2 is equal to angle 1, and the third condition is BQ is equal to PD. It is already given. So the triangles will be congruent by side, angle and side by SAS criteria. So we can use here AD is equal to CB, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Second condition is in triangle APD, angle is 1, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. I can write here alternate interior angle, but we have to mention why these are alternate interior angle. We have to mention which pair of parallel line we are taking. So I am writing here BC is parallel to, because reason is we have to mention because also, because BC is parallel to AD and transversal is, and BD is a transversal. If simply you will write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 alternate interior angle, and if you are not mentioning here, if you are not writing which pair of parallel line you are taking, there will be deduction. Okay, so you have to mention which pair of parallel line you are taking. And the third element is, this is the given condition, BQ is equal to PD. So here in this triangle PD, and in second triangle is QB. So the criteria is side, angle and side. Both the triangles are congruent. Therefore I can write here triangle APD is congruent to CQB by SAS criteria. If both the triangles are congruent, easily we can write AP is equal to CQ. This AP is equal to CQ. AP and CQ both are equal by CPCT. If we have done first part, in second part simply we will write the result of the first part, will write by CPCT. Now we want to prove this third part. This is third part. In this third part we have to take triangle AQB. These two triangles we have to take, triangle AQB and triangle CPD. This triangle ABQ and triangle CPD we have to take. These two are parallel lines. This is a transversal. Again I can write here angle 3 and 4 equal, Parallel lines opposite sides of a parallelogram are already equal because it is given ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AB is equal to CD, and the third element is BQ is equal to PD. Again the criteria will be side, angle and side. Okay, here I am taking in this triangle and triangle AQB, I am writing AB. This AB is equal to, this side is equal to CD, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Second element I can write here in triangle AQB, angle is angle 3 is equal to angle 4, alternate interior angle, but we have to mention which pair of parallel line and which is the transversal. So AB is parallel to DC, reason is AB is parallel to DC and BD is a transversal. And the third element is this first element side, we have taken these two sides, this angle we have taken, and the third element is these two given side, given is BQ is equal to PD. In this triangle it is QB and here we will take PD. We will write QB is equal to PD. If suppose I will write PD over here and QB in the second triangle, then it would be wrong. Okay, be careful while writing, while taking the parts. QB is lying in this first triangle and PD is lying in second triangle. This is also given. Again both the triangles are congruent by SAS. Triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD by SAS criteria. When both the triangles are congruent by CPCT, I can write here AQ is equal to CP by CPCT. This is fourth part, it was second part. Now we'll prove APCQ is a parallelogram. This APCQ is a parallelogram. This fifth part will prove. And how we can prove it is a parallelogram? We know the result of a parallelogram, diagonal of a parallelogram bisects each other, and it is given ABCD is a parallelogram. Given is, reason I will write here, because ABCD is a parallelogram, it is given. So I can write, if I will join here, if I will join this diagonal AC, it will be O. We have to mention here, we will write down the construction, we will join A to C and we will get O point over here. In this parallelogram, in parallelogram ABCD, these are the diagonals, diagonal AC and BD, and we know diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, AO is equal to OC and OB is equal to, this OB is equal to OD. Reason is because diagonals bisect each other. Properties you have to recall, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, but it is already given here DP is equal to BQ. So we will write here, here we have taken OB, so we will take BQ this side. It is given BQ is equal to DP. This is already given. If I subtract these two, I will write here this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. On subtracting 1 and 2, I will get here OB minus BQ. OB minus BQ. Will subtract left hand sides and then will subtract right hand sides of both the equation. OD minus DP. Just look at here, OB minus, this OB minus QB will be this side OQ, and similarly OD minus PD will be this side OP. Okay, now do the comparison of equation 3 and this equation. Here I am writing star. AO is equal to OC, OQ is equal to OP. AOOC both are equal and OQ is equal to OP. If these two diagonals are equal, it means this is also a parallelogram. When diagonals are bisecting, we can use it's a parallelogram. Here, one more line here I am writing again, AO is equal to OC, so that there will be no confusion. Okay, this line I am writing here again. OQ is equal to, this OQ is equal to OP and this OA is equal to OC. When diagonals bisects each other, therefore it is a parallelogram. So simply we can write therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. I am not writing last line, but you have to mention it. When the diagonals bisect, therefore it's a parallelogram.